Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Subscribe our digital media. My name is Balaji, former digital marketing expert. We done courses, and we got some feedbacks too. I've been calling boring. Our content maybe bore you, due to lots of technical terms, we understand that, but here is the thing, we are not to entertain you. We are you to produce result. We are set up this course to get incredible result. Trust us, this process, this stuff works. Welcome to our course. Basic Starter Video 2. Social Media Marketing. We have a clear idea about social media platforms. Because even till 2K kids everyone has an account in social platforms. Let's drive into social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. The major social media platforms, at the moment, are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. Social media marketing, SMM, refers to processes that focus social networks and applications to publicize brand awareness or to promote specific products, states Techopedia. So technically it means developing shareable content and advertorials. Establishing social media platform presence. Active users of social media 2020. Helps us to communicate with other corporate brand. Regular engagement and business identity. Having a closed community meant that people interacted with one another in a very intentional and deeper way, which helped with both loyalty and engagement with your brand. Threads were started by the community, and engagement happened organically. Know your goals before you start. Know the type of influencer campaign you want to run. Find influencers who are related to your industry. Find influencers who promote your competitors. Find influencers who share your audience. Understand the authority of the influencer. Track your results. SSM traffic has always been considered as one of the major ranking factors. Social media affects your site traffic by providing more visibility to your content. When lots of people share your content within their networks, they're going to send more traffic to your website and therefore, boost your rankings. SSM helps to expand your sales and audience. Cut the marketing costs. Why not you try, because it's for free. Do you have confusion? Don't worry, we are here to help you. Stay tuned for next video. We will discuss in detail about social media marketing. Subscribe our channel by clicking bell icon. For workshop and guest lectures visit our site. Thank you.